What's up everyone? Today we are going to be cooking on the Weber Summit Kamado, and I'm going to show you guys how we grill and barbecue on the Weber Summit Kamado. I do have a few videos showing us smoking some stuff on the Summit, but today we're going to just show you some direct over the heat grilling and how we maintain that temperature to keep it in that medium heat 300-350 zone straight over direct heat. Let's go. So right now we have some charcoal, we have some post oak wood chunks and oakum charcoal. Those are from B&B. And what we're going to do right now, we have about 15 briquettes lit. We're just going to dump them on top. But we're also going to try to create a 2-zone fire. Now one thing about grilling, the fire can get super hot. So creating a 2-zone fire is really important in these kind of cooking techniques, because you want to be able to, if there's a flare up, you can pull the meat off to one side and then be able to grill comfortably and not have to worry about pulling your protein or shutting the grill down. Now we are going to go with no deflector right now, and where your fire is, you want to have one of these openings. That way you can add some wood chunks if you feel like you need some smoke. So now we're going to shut this down, and the cool thing about the Summit is once you have this wide open, that's going to create a lot of draft, and we are going to be able to get the grill hot, we're going to be able to get the grates hot, and we're going to be able to have a base of fire in there very quickly. All right, so we're just going to give us about 10-15 minutes, and we're going to let that come up to temp. So now that my temperature is in the range that I want it, I'm gonna start backing down off my airflow. My bottom vents are wide open. I'm gonna leave them wide open for now. The top vents, I'm just gonna leave them like this. Now I'm gonna crack this lid, and I wanna show you guys something about Kamados. And you should practice this with any smoker, but any smoker that you are starving it of airflow, you wanna make sure you burp it. Okay, so you want to give it a little crack, just like that. Just open it just a little bit. You're going to get that initial heat and smoke to just flow out through the side, and then you open it. What will happen if you don't do that, you will get a ball of fire in your face. So that beautiful beard that you work for will be gone. All right. Our grates are hot, easy to clean. One of the really cool things about the Kamado is you can spin these grates all the time. Alright. So right now it's about time to add my chicken. Don't worry, the fire is going right now, but once you shut it down, you're not going to have active flames going. You're going to have heat. Now I want you guys to realize that our temp is staying real steady. Once I did just one adjustment on the vents right here, we have it shut down to about halfway on top, still wide open on the bottom. So now we're gonna check on this chicken. It's been going about 10 minutes right over the hot side, but because we are holding steady temp, we don't have to check it every second. Alright, so now we're going to give these a little flip. So with the current setting that we have, we're gonna continue to maintain between 300 and 350. Kind of want to stay about 325-ish, but right now we're good. We don't have to watch this again for another 10-12 minutes so that we can flip that chicken, and then we're gonna move something else to the hot side, pull the chicken off, and let it come up to temp. Follow us. So as you guys can see, we have the vents still set the same. The bottom vents are still wide open. We're still just a shade over 300. Now we're gonna go ahead and check this chicken. We're gonna give it a second flip, and we're gonna see what's going on. Some nice color so far. So we can kind of pull these off to the side there. So those chicken breasts on that side already have the right color that I want on them. Right now we're just waiting for a temp. But now we got some mushrooms over here that we're gonna throw on the grill. Trying some meatless tacos. So now we're gonna let those corns roast up a little bit, and then we're gonna let that butter melt, and then we're gonna start basting that corn to make our street corn. So now that we have our fire controlled, you can notice it's not crazy blazing, but check this out. All right, not crazy cooking, even though it's running at about 400. But we're just gonna grill these corns up just a little bit, and we're gonna start to baste them with that butter. So that's how we work with the Summit Kamado. You guys saw that we cooked chicken, we cooked mushrooms, we cooked corn, all using the same grill, and we're not smoking. Everything was done grill barbecue style. All right, stay tuned, follow for more, and I hope you guys subscribe to the page and check out more of our videos. We are gonna start building a Weber Summit Kamado playlist just for you guys who are interested. Take care.